Hello everyone! We continue to study the work with the Trapcode Particular plugin. In this tutorial, we'll create a logo from particles and look at a few similar examples. So, let's create a new scene. I have prepared several logos. Upload them to our project. You can download them from the link in the description. Create a logo folder for them. Let's move them there. We take any of them and place them in the scene. Pre-composite it. Let's call it logo. Check the box so that our layer is considered 3D. Create a new solid. Let's call it particular. Add a particular effect to it. Correcting the size of our logo. Now select the emitter type layer. Go to layer emitter and select our logo. Let's increase the number of particles in SEC to 30,000. Let's remove the velocity to 0. Okay. And now we're changing particles in SEC to 35,000. Okay. Now in the physics parameters we change the turbulence field, increasing the effect position. Super. We activate the key, and here we reduce it to 0. Let's see how we did it. Suits me. Now move the keys and see what happens. Okay. Suits me. Okay. We copy this key somewhere by 6 seconds. Now we have a logo assembled from particles and then disassembled. Let's copy this key so that the logo was assembled for some time. As we can see, the logo now looks broken into particles. Duplicate the logo layer and move it to the top, make it visible. And set the opacity keys. We put 0 here. And here too. Now it will appear and disappear. No, let's move it over here. Somehow not so much. Let's try adding a key. Let's add the opacity keys to the particular layer as well. But in the inversion of the logo. Much better. Let's smooth out the change of effect position keys. Press F9. We go to the graph editor. We can easily change the curves by changing the smoothness of the opacity change. Let's lower the evaluation speed. Let's see. The logo does not crumble very nicely. We move the keys. And a little more. So much better. Let's quickly create a simple background. New solid named BG. Drop it down. Add a 4-color gradient effect. I use this effect in one of my videos to create transitions. If you are interested in disassembling this project, write in the comments. For filling, take the colors from the logo. Let's increase the jitter. Move the centers and select the colors a little darker than the original. Let's add fast box blur. A little blurring. We will apply a mask by double-clicking on the ellipse tool. Let's greatly increase the mask feather and mask expansion. Well, something like that, quickly and tastefully. Let's tweak curves a bit. Oh, no! It turned out great. Now let's add the disappearance of the particles at the end of the scene. Let's put the particle key in section. And we will shorten the life to 1 second. Now they are disappearing. Let's see what we got. Wonderful! Now you can add any logo to the logo folder. Let's resize it. Reduce the quality to quarter. Assembly and disassembly works with other logos as well. The main thing to remember is that this background may not fit with another logo and it is better to change it. Also, if you really want to, you can insert text instead of the logo. As you can see, it also works. Let's add layer styles effects to the composition. This makes the text look better. Well, let's add layer styles to the particular layer. Now consider another option for disassembling the logo. Let's return the first logo. Let's create a mask. Activate the mask path key. Our logo will disappear from right to left. At the beginning of the movement, the mask should be in front of the logo, and at the end of the composition we move it to the place after the logo. Increase the mask feather and decrease the mask expansion. To keep the video short, I'll just paste a copy of the logo into the composition, adjusting the sizes. Move on to the start time of the mask movement and add a linear wipe. We change the angle and turn on the transition completion key. At the end of the composition, set it to 100%. Hide everything for convenience. Let the particles fly up. For this, in gravity we set a negative value. Let's change the opacity and effect position and particles in SEC to match the new logo disassembly conditions. Let's increase the life of the particles. Let's return the value of velocity and change them a little. To speed up, cut the video and see what we get. Let's fix it a little. Let's add values. Y and Y negative means they will fly up. Wind X will be positive so that the particles move to the right. Move the key a little and tweak the masks a little. Here's what we got. I hope you learned something new about the Particular plugin. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel.